Hello everyone, welcome to German Lingos. In this video, we will learn the names of months in German language. The word for month in German language is der Monat and its plural is die Monate. Listen to me carefully. Der Monat, die Monate. As I told you in my video on tips, tricks and hacks on German articles and genders, that names of all months are masculine, hence their article is der. I will give the link of that video in the description box. If you find it difficult to learn German articles, then please watch that video. It will definitely help you. Now let's learn the names of months in German language. Der Januar. Der Januar. As I told you in my video on alphabets, that J is yacht in German and its sound in a word is Y. That's why it's Januar. You can check out my video on alphabets for detailed explanation of sounds of alphabets in words. I will give its link in the description box. Der Februar. Once again, der Februar. Der März. Please repeat after me. Der März. Der April. Please repeat after me. Der April. Der Mai. Once again, der Mai. Der Juni. J in German is yacht and its sound in a word is ja. That's why it's der Juni. Let's move on to the name of next month. It is der Juli. Once again, der Juli. Next is der August. Once again, der August. Here, AU is a diphthong. That's why its pronunciation is Au, August, which we have already learned in my video on diphthongs. Please check out that video for accurate pronunciation. Der September. Once again, der September. Der October. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Der October. Der November. Der November. Please notice that here the German pronunciation and the English pronunciation are quite similar. Let's move on to the next one. Der Dezember. Please repeat after me. Der Dezember. So these are the months in German. Now let's use them in a sentence. Ich habe im April Geburtstag. Once again, ich habe im April Geburtstag. Now in the comment section, do let me know when is your birthday and which is your favorite month. I hope you have very well understood the names of months in German. Let's do a quick recap. Monate, der Januar, der Januar, der Februar, der Februar, der März, der März, der April, der April, der Mai, der Mai, der Juni, der Juni, der Juli, der Juli, der August, der August, der September, der September, der Oktober, der Oktober, der November, der November, der Dezember, der Dezember. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more such informative videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Dankeschön. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.